Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to talk about the 10 signs he's the right guy for you. This is for our ladies. Ladies, no matter how you grew up, whether good or bad experiences. Remember when you came into this world as a baby, someone saw you as their princess. Even if they never said it, even if they never contributed to it, that day that you were born, that very day, they saw you as their princess. There are signs for you to know he'll actually treat you like a queen and treat you like a queen in marriage. The first sign is he treats you better than all his female friends and always aims at making you happy. Among all the friends you are special, and you know he treats you special. You have to know it. If you don't, then he's not the right guy. If he's treating every woman like you, then you are not his choice. The right guy is very careful not to hurt you and will always try his best to be in your good books. He'll do the little things to make you happy. He'll say things to make you happy and glow. He'll do things that will blow your mind just because he wants to see a smile on your face. The right guy, he will listen to you with rapt attention when you are angry, when you are venting, when you are happy. Anything you are saying, he wants to hear it. He loves to hear you talk, and you will not irritate him. It sounds like music to his ear. That's the right guy. The right guy, he can't wait to introduce you to his friends and family. He'll always speak highly of you. I met this girl, oh my God, she is so good, she's so cute. He'll use every word in the dictionary to describe you. And sometimes you will even wonder if you are the same person he's talking about. Because he adores you. He can't wait to introduce you. He can't wait for you to meet his family and his friends. The right guy will call to check on you no matter how busy he is. It's not a one-way street when it comes to this though. But there are certain women who chase their guys around, calling them and ending. Monday to Friday, they won't pick it, they won't hear from them. Saturday, they come and give an excuse and they take it. No, it can't be like that always. Sometimes things happen for them not to call you, or for a guy not to call you. But if he has the means, he'll send a text message to let you know. If he respects you, he'll send you a message. He'll not wait for 1 week and then out of the blue, he'll just show up. No. If somebody loves you, he'll like to be on the phone with you for hours. I remember my husband and I will be on the phone for 2 hours, sometimes, different time zones, you know? So if somebody wants you, they will definitely make time to talk to you. The right guy will be very transparent with you about his work, his past life, his mistakes, and everything that has happened in his life because he's open and transparent about it. And that doesn't mean it is time for you to start judging. It's his past, let it go. If that past will come and haunt you or you think it's going to haunt you, decide on what you want to do about it. But don't judge him about his past if you love him. The right guy will not put pressure on you to sleep with you. I know these days, that is the narrative. Oh, he has to sleep with you to know what you have. That is old. What if he sleeps with you and he moves on? It's up to you anyway. But I know the right guy knows he's building a future with you. So he can have anything he wants to have with you when he gets married to you. So he will wait. The right guy is patient with you. He wouldn't blow everything out of proportion. He'll seek to understand your worries and whatever is going on in your life. If there's any mistake or conflict, he won't blow it out of proportion. He would rather do stuff to avoid conflict because he loves you and adores you. The right guy factors you into his life and his future. He will always use we when we get married in his statements about the future. He won't talk about himself only. If he's making big purchases, career decisions, future plans, he wants to factor you in because he sees you in his life. He considers your feelings in the decisions he's making for the future. He wants to build a future with you and needs your input for the final decision because he knows one way or the other that decision will hurt you, affect you, or whatever. He'll talk about how to build a future home together, how many kids you guys should have, even the names of the unborn children, where you plan to live. They can't wait to get married to you. You'd rather be given the excuses for them to hold on. Of course, you're not supposed to rush into marriage. People rush in and rush out, like rush hour. So be careful. Number 10, The right guy forgives easily without holding back. He wouldn't want you to be sad, and he will forgive you even if you hurt him. He will not hold back his love from you. He won't be unforgiving because he knows and believes in forgiveness. And he knows this is what will build a great future in marriage. We are not perfect and we won't seek perfection, but he will make room for error and mistakes. And the way he will handle conflicts will blow your mind because it will be beautiful in your sight. Ladies, note, not all guys can do all these 10 things at once. You will see it every day. There's some guys who they'll do it for some time, they'll slack a little bit. There's some guys who are consistent because it's part of them. There's some guys who have to learn one day at a time. So give them grace. Make it easier for them to be able to be the right guy for you. Do not judge them. You have to assess them, whether they are real, whether they are not faking these 10 signs, whether they live it, or they're not trying to woo you into their bed or into their marriage because they see you as a homemaker, or they see you as somebody they believe and know will take good care of their children. Give them room to improve when they make mistakes. Don't be too hard on them while they're trying to figure things out. Don't be judgmental because it will easily make them coil in their shells. That's what guys do. Because they may not know what to do to make you happy or what to say or the way to say it because of your reactions. Learn to be gentle in your dealings with them. Remember, the guy is not your father. So don't cut him out because he cannot provide for you. You're not married to him yet, and you are not his responsibility. So take it easy on him. The most important thing you have to look out for is that that guy is a giver. He is a giver. He will give you things when he has the money. He will give you your needs and top it up with your wants. He will blow your mind if he's a giver. You don't need to ask. Because a wealthy person who is not a giver doesn't care about your needs and your wants. If you spend $1 more than what they budgeted for, they'll fight you. They'll wake you up in your sleep and fight you. They'll follow you to wherever you go to and come and fight you. So look out for a giver. A man can be wealthy, and if he's not a giver, you'll be frustrated in the marriage. So be careful. And ladies, as this gentleman is trying to make you his queen in future, make it easier for him to do that. Don't pressure him to treat you like the queen he cannot maintain. The queen that he cannot maintain. No, he's not your daddy. A queen is gentle, watches how she behaves, makes her king feel good about her. So ladies, if you find the right guy, keep them. They may be an average guy today. Don't be looking at that rich friend's boyfriend, that rich cousin's boyfriend. You don't know the future. With your help in building him up, you'll be successful. You have a beautiful home. You will love what you invested in him. The time, the energy, the love, and the words of encouragement to build him up. It's not every man who is already made. There are some men that they need your help to be the right guy in your life. And you will reap the fruits of your labor. So sow into good soil and give a good guy a chance in your life. Don't belittle them. Don't look down on them, because one day things may turn around and you have regrets. I know somebody who told me she regrets saying no to a certain guy because he was poor. Today, that guy flies his wife everywhere she wants and feels like going to. And she's regretting for saying no. Not because of anything, not because she didn't like him, but just because he wasn't rich at that time. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.